You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know some people get confused by it, not 100% sure why. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here, as Connell, Connell, British English, Connell, Connell, American English pronunciation, Connell. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Connell. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.